So this is going to be a demo on the dometic 12 volt refrigerator. So right now it's currently 88.3 Fahrenheit in there. I'm gonna kick it on. So I wired it in. I guess I have to change the settings. Okay, I think that's on now. So we'll be back. So this is about an hour in. As you can see, it's at 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels pretty cold, but still not food ready. So we'll see. Hopefully that changes. All right, this is about 2 hours later, and it finally hit food safe. Under 40 degrees. So I'm saying that's pretty good. So let me take you to the freezer. After testing the freezer side, I recorded the temperature being 20 degrees on the lowest setting. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.